Hi, hello friends. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to Varatapada Trader Sangam. Welcome to my channel, friends. And thank you, Pritish bro. Thank you, Madan bro. Thank you, Kunal bro. Thanks for keeping on supporting on me. And thank you for my subscribers. Thank you. So from this month onwards, I have started the live stream. Please support my channel and hit the bell button to get the notification and join the live for tomorrow onwards. Then we can discuss together about the trade. We can discuss about the price action levels. So we can discuss about the 145 strategy. So everything we can discuss on live stream, live chat, friends. This is today I hosted a live. So this is my live video and I ended the live video at the last only. Today I have been trapped. Okay, just a moment. I open my account. You can see in live I just closed the with loss only 2577 my live. One second, I will open my account. So up to today I traded my account in Alice Blue only. So from tomorrow onwards I'm going to trade on Zerodha due to the brokerage. So see my friends, now the time is 8:20, so the loss is exactly same or what I booked in live. So 2500. So today I have taken 12 trades. I mean 12 completed trades, which means 6 trades. So given the brokerage of 300 rupees. So totally I have lost today. So today I have been trapped. Even 145 strategy has been trapped. Many experienced people, lot of experienced people not been trade today because of today market is not good. So those who are avoided the trade today, they are be lucky champ, but I am not lucky. So kindly comment, kindly give your comment, kindly give your valuable comment. Those who are how was your day and how you be booked a profit or loss, please kindly comment. Okay friends, thank you for watching. Thank you friends. Please keep on support me. Thank you.